So they're doing foundation differently?
Well, they're
Or supporting it differently?
Yeah. Concrete's what you want.
What's that?
You need concrete.
Yeah. They're not blocking it? No?
Part of it, but not all of it.
Okay. He asked me, or I was saying, should I bring my dogs? He's like, no, there's gonna be freaking construction parts all over. So my dogs would have stepped right on that.
Yeah.
So he said, wait till it's a little bit more done. That's my bathroom. So this whole thing is additional space, and then that right there is the bathroom. It's gonna be tiled all the way up. Rocked all the way up.
Yeah.
It's gonna be freaking massive.
Yeah.
How tall is this?
That ended up being 21 feet.
21 feet. That's gonna look crazy when you're just like looking up at 21 feet. It's gonna be a rock wall, essentially. So this will have bathroom here, closet, and is this the washer dryer outside?
We can talk about that. Stackable washer dryer over here and a stackable over there.
Okay. This looks like a little bit bigger of a washer dryer space. Is this the washer dryer space over here?
No, this is just a closet.
Okay. Where's the other one?
This is an owner's closet.
Okay. This is
for your toiletries.
Okay. So what's an average temperature of a pool spa?
Depends on the time of the year. You can tweak it on the motherboard. Summer, you can go 78 to 82, all the way to 100
in the winter.
Yeah.
Okay. And hot tubs usually what? 100 something?
102 average.
Okay. I was telling him the last time we were here, we were walking through trees.
Oh yeah.
So it's a little bit of a different.
It's awesome. Always awesome.
Well guys, we just finished up lunch here in Broken Bow. I had my videographer and business manager Bree here with us today. Wanted to take a look at the cabin. Obviously we haven't been up here. I haven't been up here since we were walking through really brushes and trees to determine what we wanted to take down to lay the house on, and now the entire house is up. Framing's done. Electrical will be started here soon. As you can see, the siding was actually getting started today as well. That shouldn't take too exceptionally long, so before you know it, I'm gonna have a picture with the entire cabin with its siding done. But moving forward, the biggest thing with Broken Bow for me was it gave me an opportunity for, because I have two dogs, because I'm gonna be probably, I don't wanna say never, but 99% sure I'm gonna be in Dallas, Fort Worth area for the rest of my life. This is only a quick 3-hour drive away. It's also close to a lot of other large cities such as Little Rock, Arkansas. It's close to Tulsa, Oklahoma. It is in Oklahoma, and it's also close to Shreveport, Louisiana. You've got all those metroplexes, those cities where you've got people that want to take an escape or have a long weekend away from home. And it's really close to all 4 of those cities, including the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It allows me to bring my dogs up there for the weekend, and it's a house and a cabin that I'm honestly going to be able to utilize not just as an income-producing property, but as a property for my family to be able to enjoy, honestly, for decades and decades in the future. Also, when it comes to Broken Bow itself, yes, it is 3 hours away, but I've got 2 dogs. It allows me to take the dogs up for a quick or long weekend or little mini vacation itself. But Broken Bow has a lake. I love and did grow up on a river, going boating, going jet skiing, going tubing. I lived on the water as a kid, so to be able to raise my kids at the Broken Bow cabin on the lake would be a huge, huge blessing for myself, as well as down the road, I'm going to buy probably 4-wheelers to be able to go out and just go, enjoy going down trails on 4-wheelers. And it's a fun place to go to as we're sitting and eating lunch here, just about to leave. It's just a fun place to really get away from home.